My name's Reese. I'm from Thibodaux, Louisiana.
My name is Pernell Talley. I'm from Gaithersburg, Maryland.
Well, I'm Dustin Wolf. I'm from Minot, North Dakota.
Corey Campbell, Gilbert, Arizona.
My name is Douglas Sandy. I'm from Brooklyn/Queens, New York.
My name is Andre Yakowitz. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio.
My name is Scott Young. I'm from Albrightsville, Pennsylvania.
Hey everybody, I'm Rick from Wavelength Automotive in Basking Ridge, New Jersey.
I am John Giannetta and I'm from Rapid City, South Dakota. I'm here with my friend and partner, Beth Jansen.
I'm Kevin Brown from Long Island, New York.
My dad, he came about a year ago. He started up a company. He wants me to take it over.
I basically wanted to get more information about how to start a business and proper techniques of washing the car and detailing the car.
Well, I own a detailing business. I figure this is the best way to learn how to do it properly.
First, I looked at the reviews. I looked at the quality of training and the facility and the pride that you guys take in your product. And that's pretty much what I want to emulate in my own business. And just looking at it, just the reviews were awesome.
Well, I wanted to get more knowledge on how to detail cars and also how to open up a mobile or a fixed business. At the same time, I also wanted to get how to know how to use the equipment and certain materials so that I could properly use that in the future of my business, if it's mobile or fixed.
Well, detailing and cleaning cars is just something I like to do for fun at home. But there's a lot that I don't know about to do this professionally. So I found Detail King online and signed up, and there's a lot that I need to learn to do this professionally.
I work for a pharmaceutical company and I am currently taking over fleet operations, and I work with some high-end vehicles. So I came to get more knowledge into the car detailing world and definitely pick some new things up and learn some new things here.
We plan on taking our business to the top level of this entire thing. So we want to take as many classes, know the most of everything, and be the best.
Well, the Craftsman program, that we wanted a bigger variety of everything rather than just the detailing. We wanted to see what it had to offer. A lot of it is in case that we want to send over our employees, we'd know what avenue that we would want to send them into. So we wanted to go to your main 3-day deal and check it out for ourselves.
I decided to take Detail King's Craftsman set-up because I already do detailing. I want to get into the high end, get a little more professional with it, and turn it into a main business. So I wanted to sharpen my skills and learn everything I need to learn to be able to grow a business.
Yeah, it's definitely going to help out a lot with the business and the website part.
It's a lot of, it's pretty, also a lot of information. The instructors seem pretty knowledgeable of what they're talking about.
I like it. I'm learning a lot of things I didn't know that I probably should have.
Very good. Nick is obviously somebody that's been around a business standpoint. It's not isolated to just this one business. Everything he's taught us is everything from the past to the present to even the future, and identifying what the customer base is really all about has given me a different perspective.
Man, the business portion so far was amazing. Learned a lot of information that I could take over so that when I get back home, I know how to properly start my business, and so far so good.
Oh, it's great. It's taught me a lot of things I didn't know at all, especially how to advertise your company and a bunch of other stuff. So
Very, very detailed. Overall, everything seems to be going good.
It's great. I've learned a lot of things. I know a lot of things, but you can always learn.
The business portion was a lot. It was a lot of information. There's a lot of things that we never even thought of or even considered. And it was nice to be able to cover all of everything as far as the business part of it.
So far, I'm very impressed with the facility and the workers here. Everything is very professional and top end. I think they're covering major parts of the business aspect that a lot of people might not realize getting into it. just the do's and don'ts and what the things to look for to protect yourself.
It was really great. I learned a lot of stuff that I didn't know about the polish and the glaze and the sealant. It's really gonna help me out with the business and learn what I need to do and the steps I need to take.
I thought it was a great experience. We got a chance to learn the proper procedure of washing an automobile. See the different type of brushes that you can use on the tires. Hands-on with the ruthless and the different types of polishes and things of that nature. Pretty informative. It was a great class.
It's been great. I'm actually learning a lot, even when it comes down to the brushes. I didn't know there were that many kinds, and the compound, the glaze, polish, all that. It's really been an eye-opener to how much you actually need to do.
I thought it was extremely informative, using all the different products. It's much easier to use the product and be able to explain it to customers, know the process, know the steps. I was completely amazed by the ease of the products, the smell of the products. I mean, it just made the whole experience 10 times more benefit than I thought it was. And then really the best part of the whole entire training was having the professional trainers working side by side with you with a great attitude, taking the time to show you exactly how to use the product. Not many people do that, and just you could see that they have a passion for the business.
Well, the exterior training was awesome. It was amazing to learn how to wash the car properly, to then go to the next steps by using the compounds and the particular products to on the car, and then seeing the after effect was phenomenal. Also, the great thing also about the training was when he was able to use the certain equipment like the buffers. I never used it before, so for me to finally got my hands on it and was able to use it and see the type of job that was completed of my work, it was just mind-boggling.
I really enjoyed it, especially using the different machines. Since I never used any of them, it was great to experience them, see what works for me, what doesn't, different pads, and that was a big plus for me. It would be pretty bad if I bought a machine and not used it first, and that was probably a big thing for me today. Loved using your products, easy to use, great results.
I thought trainers were very well. They did a great job explaining everything. I'm a hands-on kind of guy, so I definitely learned to use new products, the 3 steps that I would want to take. Yeah, great place to come to learn new things.
Very informative. I was able to use different machines, different products. It's nice to be around people that really know what they're doing. The experience is helping me immensely.
It was great. The hands-on was awesome. We did a lot more than I expected, so I'm very happy.
Yes, for me it was wonderful to be able to get the opportunity to see all the products and be able to use the different products and tools, and to be able to have that hands-on experience was phenomenal.
I thought today's training was very informative, very positive as far as helping the outlook on the job and being able to supply a higher level of service to customers. As far as just paint correction and using the product and tools, I think it was great.
Oh, it was very good. It's gonna help me out a lot with running my business, and I'll be able to send people here definitely. And when they come, I know they know what to do, and I won't have to worry about coming behind them and helping them out.
I'm sure you've heard that other people say that it was very informative. Gave you a chance to learn again the different products that they use, different ways to clean the carpet if there's lots of hair. It was a very informative session.
I thought it was wonderful. Learned a lot, and even with the cigarette burns, repairs and all that, And the leather cleaning, I didn't know that you could open up the pores of the leather, so that was great.
I thought it was fantastic. The trainers took the time showing us the various tools as far as the steamers, the extractors, all the chemicals. Again, I'm just amazed by the quality of the products of Detail King.
With the interior hands-on training, it was awesome. The things that we all learned from the interior, from the carpet cleaning, from the extractor, to the using certain equipment for the headliner. It was marvelous, especially the van that we was practicing on, training on, from the before pictures or video that you would see versus the after effect is a big difference. So I enjoyed everything about the interior part of the training.
Had a great time using, especially the extractor. Never used one before, was debating if I should buy one or not. A lot of different things that I learned, especially that stone to remove hair. I was never seen that before. I don't think I even seen anybody use it on YouTube, so it's the first time I ever seen it. So yeah, I learned a lot of nice stuff.
I learned that the steam cleaner, we had some really, really bad stains in the carpet, and I couldn't believe, I didn't think that we were gonna get some of the stains out, and we actually got some of these real deep stains out with some of the pre-spray extractors that they showed us to use, that with the steam cleaner and the upholstery cleaner, we were able to get a lot of those stains out, and just all the new chemicals or the cleaners I learned to use. Pretty amazing.
I thought it was great. It was really nice to see different processes and ways of doing things, yeah.
It was awesome. The cleaning supplies, the tools were fabulous. I was blown away.
She kind of summed it up.
The interior hands-on training today was extremely informative. I learned how to cut down interior time by half hour, 40 minutes with the tools and the chemicals that we were taught to use today. I think it is a huge one-up on the detailing game. I personally have been doing interiors by hand for a while, and I'm never doing it again after this. It's awesome, love it.
They wouldn't get it anywhere else better.
I would definitely recommend it to anyone that's interested in getting involved in detailing automobiles. The program is a really good program, informative program. Allows you to work with different tools. It gives you proper procedures on how to wash the car, what to start first, where do you start, where you end. Very informative program.
I would recommend it to someone else, yes. This is great learning experience, and yeah, anyone who does detailing cars should know a lot of this stuff.
Absolutely, I've been talking about it since the minute I started the class 2 days ago, and would definitely recommend it. The trainers are what really makes the experience worthwhile.
Oh, absolutely. If you're trying to get into detailing, I advise everyone to sign up and try to get involved with Detail Kings. Even if you want to, if you forgot something and you want to just come back and just to familiar yourself back with the certain products and certain equipment, is the best thing that everyone should do of trying to get into Detail Kings and try to learn as much as you want as possible.
Oh yeah, for sure, yeah. It's really not that expensive to come out here. I mean, the class for what you get, it's totally worth it.
Oh, absolutely. Definitely. You guys are just explain everything very well and show absolutely everything from final to, yeah, it's great.
I absolutely would. I plan on sending my guys here as soon as I can.
Highly.
Absolutely, absolutely. No, the hands-on training that we got here is something that I even plan to go back and share with others, and hopefully that others that are wanting to get into the detail business will come on over and learn what we have been able to.
when we get to the point to needing help, they'll definitely come here also.
Yes.
I would recommend this program to anyone who is interested in a skill, something that they could obtain to make money and support their family, or even if they want a second job, you could do it in your own free time. Everyone drives, everyone likes their things nice and clean. Yeah, I would recommend this course to any and everyone.